Welcome back to this channel. Today we will be discussing page number 76 of Mathematics class 5th NCERT book. Here with me is there Havisha Rathod. Shall we start, Havisha?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And that's chapter 5. Does it look the same?
Okay. Second point, Venki has made a red and white shape.
Make a line on the white box where you will keep a mirror to get the shape. Look at how the line is drawn in the first box to get the picture next to it. You should let me to read.
Okay, then read it.
Again? That would be time waste. You can do it.
See how it is. I think it is first. It is done for us. So just see here. Make a line on the door. Make a line on the white box where you will keep a mirror to get that shape. Look at how the line is drawn in the first box. Okay, to get the picture next to it. So what is happening, Avisha, in this box? Just see here. This is the dotted line. In the dotted line, if we keep the mirror here, this will be visible on the mirror and it will look like this. Similarly, this section will be visible here. This is one, and this will look like this section. Okay.
Okay.
So in the mirror, this section will be visible. This is the section will be visible in the mirror. So that's how it is done, like this. Okay.
Okay, I understood, Papa.
No, next one.
Again and again.
Now let's go to the next one.
I can do this. I'm doing it my own.
So we have to make a dotted line on this white box so that we can get this image. And this boy is thinking how to do. So let's help him. Okay, Visha. So
Yeah,
let's help
shading
him.
is
So we can draw a dotted line on this. On this, just is a trick given by Havisha Rathod. So when you keep the dotted line means this section, make it half. Make it half. This we have to make a half of this image. So this image we have to see in this. Where it is? It is here. Here. If I put see in this, you have to see a point. This rectangle is here, complete rectangle here. So that means this dot is it will be there in the dotted line, or we have to keep the mirror here also. So one is here, then dotted here, and this section is here, and then it is going to here, next. That means this also there, this one also there. So like that, if we cross it, this one, if you see this section is here, this is the one, this section. So this one is mirror imaged here. So we are going to keep a mirror on this dotted line. Okay, Visha? So we have done this one, B. Now let's do C. So C also, this is the white box and this is the image. We have to get it with the help of mirror, with the help of a mirror. So first, to get this one, we have to divide it into two halves. We can imagine that we can divide it into two halves. This is two halves, and this is the one. This section, we have to see in this. So like this is the one, and how it is happening. If we draw like this, this also will be here. This also will be is here. I see here, and this also here. Okay. Now this is also here, and then this also here. But half. But this section here, little bit is there in this. So here the dotted line here like this. Means here, and this is dotted line, this is dotted line, this is dotted line, this is dotted line. And then this. Okay. And now if you see it's not going to touch it. This line will not be touching on this line. Little gap will be there, because here you see, if you zoom it and see here also little space is there. Here on this, the little space there, not touching on the line. So we have to keep mirror just close to this line. That means this side, but not on the line, just close to the line, so that this space also will be there as a mirror. Okay, and then that's how it will be done. So this image red will be visible here. So that's how we got it. this is all mirror image here. So this section is mirror image here. So you see this is image mirror image here, and this also mirror image here, and this also mirror image here, and this also mirror image here. So this full section, just see this portion, this portion is mirror image here, this image here. This is the one what we have, and this is the mirror one. Mirror one, okay, and this will not be visible. This section will be hidden behind the mirror. And in others also, if you see this section, this portion will be hidden behind the mirror, and in the A also, if you see this section is hidden behind the mirror. Right side of the dotted line is hidden behind the mirror. In this also, right side of the dotted line is hidden hidden behind the mirror. This portion is hidden behind the mirror. That's how it has got. And then here also, if we see this section will be hidden behind the mirror. We have to keep the mirror this side. We have to see from this side. Here also we have to see from this side. Here also we have to see from this side. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. So now we'll come to the D section. We'll do the D section. B and C we have done. For the D we will do. So we have to find out where to keep the mirror, where the dotted line we have to keep, we have to place. So dotted line we have to see. First we can see this is the white box and this is the mirror image. So what we can do, we can divide in this one in two sections. Here you see this is two sections. So this portion and this portion, this side is mirror image. Both are same. So we have to see this portion where it is there in this white box. So if you see this box are nothing but this box, these two boxes. But if you pay attention here, this small section also there. So where is that section?
You can do like this. I did it.
This section is nothing but half of this one, and if you see this also there, this also there, little red. So this is also
Papa,
nothing but half of this.
wrong.
No, it's correct only, Visha.
Oh yes, you're correct. I did it wrong.
So here and then dotted line. Okay. So here Avisha has done something wrong and she is correcting it. So if you place the dotted line here or place the mirror on this dotted line, we'll get the image like this. If you see this section is nothing but this section from here to here, and then we keep the mirror on this dotted line. What we will see in the mirror? We will see the same image here, this image, and the image will look like this. And then behind the mirror, this is the section. Behind the mirror, this portion will not be visible. So that's how we have done it for the D. I think आपको D समझ में आ गया होगा. So let's go to E. Now E also, this is the mirror image we have to create by keeping a mirror on a dotted line on this white box. So let's do. First we have to divide this one into two equal halves. So how we can do? Anybody can do like this by seeing that these are two halves. So if you place a dotted line here on this, so these both are mirror image. This is a trick. First attempt on this, then go to the other one, white box. First we have to attempt on this, then we will attempt on this white box. So we place the dotted line here. We have made in two halves, and then first half you will see, and first half when we see, for example, when we see this first half we see how where is this section, where is this portion on this white box. If we see here, for example, one box here, second here, third one here, these are nothing but here. But if you pay attention here, this white section is not at all there, but they are there. See this white section, it is there. How is that? This one, this half of this section is nothing but this one. So what we can do, we can place a dotted line here, we can place the mirror here. So here, and if you see this also nothing but half of that. So mirror, it will be visible on this. and then it is going beyond, so half of this. So this is also nothing but I can say this dotted line. Sorry. So this also will be visible here on this, both are mirrored, and then we cross it and touch this line, because this is square here, this is also square, and it is visible in the mirror, similar, same thing. So this is also square, this is also square. So this has to be there one on the left side of the mirror. So the dotted line here, it should be like this, it will be like this. Now when you keep the mirror on this dotted line, this image will be visible on the mirror. The same thing will be visible and will make a image like this. Same thing will be there here. So that's how. So that's how we are going to keep our mirror on this dotted line. आई होप ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. आपको सोचना है, इमेजिन करना है, थोड़ा देखना है. You have to pay full attention to where to keep a mirror on the dotted line. Encourage children to look at the final picture in each pair and guess where the line of symmetry should be made on the original shape in the white box. See, that's what it is telling same thing. First we have to see in the final picture. Final picture means this is the picture, like this. So I guess where the line of symmetry, and we have to guess where to keep the line symmetric. Okay. So that's all in this video. We have completed page number 76. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. And if you have understood the concept, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video with next pages.